Hello nice people, welcome back. In this tutorial I will create a nice restaurant website template using Elementor step by step so you can create your own restaurant website yourself. I'm Fahad Web Lab, the instructor. Let's get started. In this tutorial I am using Hostinger as a hosting provider. It's really nice and simple. You can use it for your own website. It's giving you a free domain and the charge is almost $3 per month. I will provide the link in the description so you can buy it easily, and I am not showing you how to buy and setting up everything. I will only create a page and edit it with Elementor. This is our empty Elementor canvas. Here we will start creating our restaurant template design. And one thing I was forgot to mention that you can get any kind of professional website service for only $99. We provide only 3 websites in a month under this offer. So if you really need a trendy and professional website, apply right now. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, so this is our empty Elementor canvas. Let's start creating. First, we will take a section here. We will create a banner section or hero section, whatever you call. So here is our section. Now let's increase the height. We'll make it to minimum height and set the height to VH, and it will be 100 VH. So let's set a background here. Go to the style tab. From here we will select an image. We'll select this image for now. Select, and we will select the size to full. Position will be center. Attachment default, repeat, we'll select no repeat, and size will be covered. Alright, now we will add a background overlay here. So go to the background overlay option. Let's select a color here. Here is a color I previously saved. So let's click this and let's make it a more bit darker. Okay, maybe 7. Okay. So now I will add a heading here. Let's change the text and go to the style tab. Here is the color option. We will select yellow color, this color, and go to the typography. For font, we will change the font to Grand Hotel, this one, and we will increase the font size, maybe 82 pixel. Okay, and it will be bold. Then we will make it to center. Okay, now we will add some text here. Let's go to the style tab, change the color to white, and it will be also centered. Then we will add a button here, call to action button. Let's take a button here and change the button text to order now. Let's style the button. Go to the style tab, and from here text color will be the yellow color, background color will be none, and there will be border. We will select solid, and the border width will be 3 pixel. Okay, and now go to the typography. Text transform, we will make it uppercase, and font weight will be 600. Now let's align the button to center. Now we will go to the column, go to the advanced, and we will set some padding here like 25 pixel, and left and right we will set 200 and 200. Okay, cool. Now we will add another overlay here. So let's take an image. We will add an image overlay. So select the image. We will add this one. Okay, it will be full. Now let's go to advanced tab, and the position will be absolute, and here is the offset. Top offset we will set it to percentage, and we will make it minus 50 maybe. Okay, let's see how it's look. Oh, it's looking cool. Now click to the update and see how it's looking now. Wow, it's really looking nice. Now we will create another section that calls best seller section. That means the best items. So let's take a section here, and we will set some padding. Top will be 100 and bottom will be 100. Okay, then we will take a heading here, and it will say best seller. Go to the style tab, set the color to the black. Typography font family will be Grand Hotel. Font will be 58. Font weight will be bold, and let's make it center. Then we will add some text here. So let's add some text. We will make it to center, and go to the typography. We will make the font size to 22. Okay, then let's add some margin at the left and at the right. Left will be 50 pixel and right also 50 pixel. All right, now we will take an inner section here. Okay, so we will take 3 inner section here, and we will add an image to this column. Okay, let's add an image. Let's select this one. Okay, let's make it full. Then drag a title here. Let's change the title text. Go to the style tab. Color will be the black, and font will be Grand Hotel. Font size will be 48, and let's make it to center. Then add some text here. Okay, we'll make it center. Go to the typography, and font size will be 14. Okay, it's looking cool. Go to the column and set some padding to 30. Okay, it's looking cool. Now let's delete this column and this column, and duplicate this 2 times. Okay, change the image. This one. Change this image to this one. Okay, I'm not going to change all those title and the text. Okay, let's click to the update and let's preview it. Okay, so here is our new section. It's looking really nice. Now we will create another section. Basically there is 3 sections. All those sections together is one section. So let's create. Start with a new section. Okay, now we will take an inner section here. Let's add an image. Select files, this one. full. Okay, so here is the section, and we will copy the title from here. We'll paste it, and then let's copy some text. Let's this one. Let's paste here, and we will take this button, but we are unable to select this button or the text because here is an image overlay. So let's open the navigator. Here is the image. So the button, we will go to the advanced, and the Z index will make it 1. For the text, also the Z index will be 1, and for the title, also the Z index for 1. Okay, now we can select this. Right now we will copy this button. Let's add some style here in the button. Go to the style tab, background, let's make it yellow, and the text white. Okay, and the border color yellow. Okay, and the hover, let's set an animation like pulse. It's looking bad. Grow. Okay, it's fine. Now let's copy this button and we will paste it to here. Okay, and we will make all of this left align. Left align. Let's remove the margin from this text. Padding. Okay, so this is it. Now let's change the title. Okay, select this column and vertical align we will set to middle. Okay, then the image will make it left align. Okay, so here is some space. Now let's add a background on this section. Style, background, image, upload, select. Let's select this one. Okay, we'll make it full. Position will be top center. Then repeat will be no repeat, and let's make it contain. Okay, it's looking fine, but at the bottom there is no color. Maybe I select the wrong image. Let's go back. Yeah, this one. Make it to cover. Okay, it's looking cool. Let's change this color to yellow and this color to be close to white. Okay, it's looking nice. Alright, now let's take another section here and we will set a background here. This dark color. Okay, now let's copy this one and paste it to here. Let's change the text and we will make it to center. Okay, now we will copy this text and let's paste here. Okay, then take a inner section here. We'll make it 4, duplicate and duplicate. Then we will search for countdown element. Okay, here is our countdown limit. Let's change the number 123. Then go to the style tab. The color will be yellow. Typography font will be Grand Hotel, and font size will be 80. Okay, now let's add some text here. And go to the style tab, change the color to white and make it center. Go to the typographies, change the font size to 22, and text transform will be uppercase, and font weight may be 600. Okay, it's looking fine. Click to this one and set some negative margin at the bottom, so they are looking closer. Okay, it's looking closer. Okay, now click to this column icon, add some padding like 50 pixel, and go to the border. Yes, here at the border, select solid, and it will be 3 pixel, and border radius will be in percentage, and that will be 50%. Okay, so maybe we need some padding at top and at the bottom. So set some padding at the top, like 65, and bottom also 65. Okay, it's looking cool. Now let's set some margin like 25 pixel. Now it's looking big, so go back to 50, and bottom also 50. Oh, it's looking cool now. Now let's delete other columns and duplicate this one. Alright, now let's change this text like shape, and maybe 100 for this one, maybe mini, and the number maybe 300, and for the last one, let's make it country, and let's make it 23. Okay, it's looking cool. Now let's go to the section, and we will add an image as the overlay. Okay, so let's make it full. Position will be center, attachment default, repeat will be no repeat, and display size may be cover. Okay, and set some padding to top 100 and bottom 100. Let's see how it's looking. Those are cut off, so let's change the background position or size to auto. No, let's make it contain. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Let's copy this section now, and we will paste it to here. Okay, then we will swipe the column let's change the image position to right and change the image also, this one. Okay, now let's change the background. Select this one now. Alright. Let's change the position to bottom center. Okay, alright. Let's click the update and let's click to preview. Okay, let's go to our section. Oh, here is the section. It's looking nice. Wow, it's looking really cool. Alright, this is really looking cool. Now we will create another small section that we will call review section. So let's take a new section here. Let's add some padding. Top maybe 50 pixel or 70 pixel and bottom will be 100 pixel. Okay, now we will copy some text here. And we will copy the heading. Okay, now we will change the heading text. Basically, this is a review. Someone told about the service, and here is the person name. So let's make it a little bit more beautiful. Let's click this one, and the style font color will be the dark color. Okay, it's looking cool. Now go to typography. Font family, font size will be 28. Okay, and text align will be center. There's no margin. Okay, so let's add some margin and left and right. Let's unbind the margin, set it to percentage. Left will be 10% and right will be also 10%, and we will make this title also center. Also we will make it little bit upper, so let's click this on. Margin bottom we will set minus margin. Okay, maybe 2% will be fine. Okay, and we will add some space at top. We added 70. Now this will be 100. Okay, it's looking cool. Let's click to update and let's preview this one now. Alright, it's looking cool. So we have created another section. Now we will create a subscribe section. So let's click this plus icon and take a new section here. We will go to the advanced tab and we will set some padding, like top will be 150 and bottom also 150. Let's add a background color here. Let's set the color from here. F4, F4, F4. Okay, so this one, and we will add a overlay image here. So let's go to background overlay and edit an image from here. We will add this image. Okay, the image will be full, position default. Now it will be center, attachment default, repeat will be no repeat, and display size will be contain. Okay, now we will add some text here. Okay, now we will copy a title from here and paste it, and we will change the text to subscribe. and also added some text here. Okay, now we will add the subscribe form here. So go to the element and search for form, this form. Let's drag it to here. I'm using Elementor Pro, so this is the Elementor Pro form. So we will keep the email and remove the others. Okay, we will hide the label. Now let's click this email, and here is the column width. We will make it to 75. Then we will go to the button, and here is the column width. We will make it to 25. Okay, it's looking great. Now let's go to the style tab, and we will reduce the column gap, so those will be look closer. Now let's go to the button and add some padding, like 10 pixel maybe. 16 pixel. Okay, now let's change the button color. Background color will be the yellow color, and let's go to the field. Here is border width 1. We will change the border color to DDD, and border radius will make it 0. For the button, we will also reduce the border radius to 0. Okay, now we will go to the advanced tab, and let's set some margin in percentage. Left will be 15%, and right will be also 15%. Maybe 20% will be fine. Left 20. Okay, it's looking great. Let's add some shadow here, box shadow. Let's change the color to 1. Okay, but here is a gap. Let's go to the style and reduce the row gap. Okay, so it's gone. We can also remove the border from the field. We'll make it 0. Alright, it's looking nice. Let's save this and click to preview. Alright, it's looking nice. Yeah, it's looking cool now. So this was the subscribe section. We'll create a footer. We are not creating a real footer, but we will create a footer section here that will be look like a footer, and we will make this whole site responsive now. So let's click this one for take a section here. Alright, let's go to the style tab, and background we will set the dark background here, and we will add some padding. Top will be 100 and bottom maybe 10. Okay, it's perfect for now. Now we will add a title here. This one is too large. Let's add this one. And we will add some text here. Okay, let's make it to center. Alright, now we will add some social icons. Social icon will be here. Let's add some more. Let's add Instagram. Let's add another one. Let's add WhatsApp. Okay, so there is 5 icon now. Let's go to the style tab. We are not going to use official color, we will use custom color. Okay, so primary color will be the yellow. It's not looking good, so we will go with primary color. Let's remove this primary color from here, and secondary color will be the yellow. Then size is fine, spacing is fine, logo is fine. Let's add a border. Solid width will be 3 and the color yellow. Now let's make the border radius 50% and let's increase the spacing. Okay, and icon hover, primary color, let's make it yellow, and the secondary color will be white. Sorry. Okay, it's looking nice. Cool. Now we will add a copyright text here. So let's go to the element and add a text here. Okay, let's change the text and go to the style tab. We'll make center. Font size will be 14 pixel. Okay, it's looking nice. Then go to the advanced tab. Then go to the border. We'll set a border at top 1 pixel and color will be, let's set the color yellow and reduce the opacity. It's looking cool. Now let's add some padding at the top. Maybe 15 pixel and add some margin at the top, 25 pixel or 50 pixel actually. Okay, the footer is looking nice. Let's click to update. Now we will make it responsive, so let's start from the top. Go to the responsive view and click to the tablet mode. It's looking nice, but let's click to this column. We will reduce the padding now, so unbind the padding. Right will be 25. Let's make 25 everywhere. Okay, it's looking cool now. Then this section is looking all right. This section is looking okay. This section is looking bad. Now let's click this column, go to the advanced tab. Let's reduce the padding to 15 pixel. Margin maybe 15 pixel. Now we will go to the style tab and here is the border. Border radius, we will make it 0 for tablet and phone, so it will be a square. So let's copy and paste style here. Okay, okay, it's looking nice now. This also looking cool. This is all right. This is also all right. And footer, this one is also looking cool. Now let's take it from the mobile view. Okay, tested the best. It's looking cool also. This is okay. Everything is all right. Here we can reduce the margin from this text. Okay, it's looking fine now. This one is okay, this is okay, this is also okay, this one is also fine, this one is also fine. Let's reduce the font size a bit. Let's make it to 40, and this one let's make it to 18. Okay, it's looking more cool. For this one, let's reduce some padding. Top will be 60 pixel. Sorry, unbind. Right 0, left 0. Okay, let's reduce the margin from this text also. Okay, it's looking cool. It's looking great. Okay, for this one also, change the font size to 40, and this one will be 14 or 18. It's looking cool. Now for this section, let's reduce some padding. Top will be 70, okay, and bottom 70. Click to this text. Let's make it 20 pixel and reduce the margin. Okay, it's looking nice. Let's reduce this font size to 40. Yeah, it's looking cool. Let's make it a bit upper, so margin top -15 will be fine. And for this one, let's reduce the padding. Top will be 50 and bottom also 50. And for this one, let's reduce the margin, and font size will be 18. And for this one, let's reduce the margin. Alright, it's looking cool. The footer, let's change this font size also, 40. Reduce the margin from here and change the font size to 18. And for those icons, let's reduce the spacing 10 pixels. Alright, it's looking nice also. Let's click to update and click to preview now. Okay, this section looks nice. All are looking nice. Alright, so we have already successfully created our restaurant website template with responsive view for tablet and mobile also. We also provide web development, web designing, branding, all kind of services. So if you need any kind of services, you can go to our website and contact with us. I will provide you the link in the description. Also, there is a good news I want to share with you, that we are providing this kind of wonderful website service for only $99. We are providing this service for 3 person in a month. So if you want to get the offer, click the link below. I will give you the link in the description, so you will get a nice and professional website in only $99. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.